Welcome back to Motorhome Retrofits YouTube channel. It's Friday here for us, and today we've had what we call a bread and butter job. So this is a 2012 Swift Bolero, and these guys are all the way from Carmarthen in Wales. We have supplied and fitted the hugely popular INE-F904, which is the Alpine Halo navigation unit. We've teamed it up with some sound deadening. We fitted our Eton component speakers, which are door speakers and tweeters. And we've also fitted the central drinks holder and removed the old-fashioned glove box. So join me inside, we'll have a quick look. This is one of the older style door setups or assemblies. So when you're doing replacement speakers and also sound deadening, it's a little bit more involved. Reason being, these are two separate sections. But either way, whenever we do sound deadening, we apply at least two large sheets of our Vespa 2.5mm to allow for this whole area to be tightened up. The Eton German handmade door speakers are fantastic. They're not cheap, but they are fantastic. Door speaker goes in here, which you'll see on the video, plugs into the existing cabling, and then also during the video you'll see that we've removed the whole of the blind assembly out so that we can remove the tweeter brackets on each one, which are the factory ones, and then we hot glue the tweeters in so that they're in nice and solid, because the factory ones are useless, and even if you do this on the panel, they then pop out and then bang and rattle and everything else. So the sound quality already in here is made a massive difference, and that's just with the Eton door speakers. No subwoofer, but the sound deadening, which is a forced option, absolutely game changer for every motorhome or every vehicle. Just reduces the road noise, reduces the tyre noise, and allows the speaker to perform in a much better environment. Next stage is the drinks holder. So we've taken out the central glove box and we have fitted the genuine Fiat drinks holder. Now, as part of the kit, it comes with a bracket or a fixing bracket in behind the scenes. We take away the glove box and we fit this in. It's so much handier than the other system, because the central glove box is literally just a big cubby hole. You've already got a glove box here, you've already got a top glove box, now you've got two drinks holders, you've got a coin tray, you've got a phone or pens or whatever you want to do. Easy. And we've got those on our website to buy, and a lot of customers we find actually buy those and fit them themselves using one of our how-to videos. And now we've got the Alpine Halo 9, so we're just going to change camera views. We'll come back to you. Now, this particular model has been fun. That's the reason, well, the reason for that is because of the fact that the Delphi radio that came out of here. Now, the Delphi radio is the built-in factory option with the gloss black, but it's got the central control wheel here. Now, the Delphi is a bit of a problem because none of the aftermarket CAN bus integration looms work with the Delphi, so therefore we have to think outside the box. And what we've done on this one is we fit a dedicated CAN interface that gives you steering wheel controls. It also talks to the odometer, because another common problem with taking out the factory systems is then you get a flashing odometer, which we don't want. So we've done a cracking job behind the scenes, all nicely fitted in, cloth taped, wired in. We've got reverse trigger, speed pulse, we've got handbrake, we've got steering wheel controls, and we've also then not got a flashing odometer, which is going to be a bit rubbish if you do have one of those. But if you do have one of those, then do get in touch with us because we can solve that for you. This is the Alpine INE-F904, and this is the DC. So this is the camper model for navigation, FM, DAB, Bluetooth, USB, and then navigation. Hopefully the camera's not going to suffer too much. So we've got built-in TomTom style navigation, and you can just pop into here and you can go and add your address, postcode, save locations. You can even add coordinates in there as well. If we go into the setup, now we are inside the building at the moment. So if we go to GPS, we're picking up 8 satellites inside the building. So as soon as we get out, we should be picking up 9, 10, 11, 12. We fitted the GPS over on the left-hand side there, and microphones all in. So I think now is a great all-rounder, 9-inch navigation system, new speakers, handy little glove box removal, and a drinks holder. This customer's going to be very happy. So if you're interested in any of these features or functions or products or anything that we've spoken about in this video, please do get in touch with us. If you haven't already and don't already subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to follow us on social media, and thanks for watching.